Well, we're at Gold Pan campsite on the Thompson River between Lytton and Spences Bridge. This has always been one of my favorite spots. I'm sure I've said that before. We got the KLX out today. We're going to go and try and document the progress on Highway 8, the highway that runs between Spences Bridge and Merritt. I had some trouble with the flooding a couple years ago, so we'll go check it out. Look at these spots down here. Aren't they nice? I just love it around here. Anyways, I'm going to carry on and keep you guys posted. See you later, bye. Well, look at that. We made it. We're in Spences Bridge. We're going to hit Highway 8 and head over to Merritt. The steelhead capital. Lots of fishing going on around here. Okay, let's go do this. Check out the new road. Well, this is the end of Spences Bridge. So this is downtown Spences Bridge, just in case you weren't sure. And I can just... This is where the original bridge was, which they've obviously removed. Probably a safety hazard. Imagine that, a safety hazard. Anyways, we better get going. Don't want to be sitting here too long. This is a little campsite right on the side. It probably had a little bit of trouble during the floods, I would say. This is a real neat little campsite, I gotta say. I'm gonna go up to this one just because it's in the shade. Okay, pull the drone out and go for a quick flight. We stopped and we threw the drone in the air here at Spences Bridge. We're across the river from Acacia Campground. This is a little public-private campground. I don't know. Anyways, it's a nice little spot. We threw the drone in the air. Now it's time to carry on. So, let's do this. Okay, getting all suited up. And let's hit the road. Highway 8, Spences Bridge to Merritt. Coming up. Uh-oh, I just heard a truck going by. Oh man, come on, light. Let's go. Let's go. It's hot sitting here doing nothing. There's nobody coming. Come on. Heck, look at that. And of course, and away we go. Woohoo! Wow. The road used to be on that side, as I recall. Maybe not. I don't know. That is the old road over there. Holy Jesus, yeah, you can see it. Look back that way. I don't know if you can see it in that little camera. On the other side, there's the old highway. Oh my. Oh. Wow, it's all gone. Yeah, I think we'll throw the drone up. Okay. Yeah, let's do this. All right, well, we threw the drone in the air. You can see the piece of road sitting over there that, wow. There's some pretty big changes going on around here. Let's get on the road again. The river is rather angry, though, I gotta say. A lot of water coming through. And, of course, there's gotta be a car right here.